Hello, this is Brett Etheridge with Dominate the GMAT, here with your GMAT Tip of the Week. This week's Tip of the Week has to do with how to get started on certain problem-solving questions. If you're like a lot of my students, a lot of times you look at a question and you think to yourself, I just don't quite know how to get started. And so the tip this week has to do especially with geometry questions on the problem-solving section of the GMAT. And the tip is this: when you see questions like that, do something. And here's what I mean by that. A lot of times the best thing you can do is just to write out the appropriate formula that pertains to whatever figure the question is talking about on this geometry question. See, that'll help things start to unfold for you. For example, let's say you're looking at a question that has to do with trapezoids. And it gives you all sorts of information, maybe something about a base, maybe something about the height, and you're not quite sure how to proceed and what to do. I think you'll find that if you will just take your scratch paper and actually write out the formula for the area of a trapezoid, then that will help you. It'll help you zero in on exactly maybe what part is missing. Maybe you have that formula in front of you and you say, oh, the problem has given me one of the bases and the height, and therefore the only thing left in this formula that I need to fill in is the other base. Okay, now you're zeroed in on exactly what you need to go ahead and solve. And it helps things start to unfold for you. If you're looking at a circle question, maybe you're writing down the circumference formula, maybe you're writing down the area formula, and so on. But I think this will help you. So again, the tip is this: on geometry questions, on the problem-solving section, do something. I think that'll help. And for more information, for more tips like this, check out dominathegmat.com, and I will see you next week as well for next week's GMAT Tip of the Week.